Hi, for today's video, we are reviewing tips and tricks for our emblem feature. So I have already logged into RepSpark and selected the brand I'd like to shop with. So let's go ahead and start an order. So all of my information is pre-populated because I am logging in as a buyer. All I have to do is add a PO number. So let's call this test 01 and click save. So as a reminder, you can look at products in the grid view or the list view. If you'd prefer the list view, you can add all of your quantities here and then click the shopping cart and these items will be added. For today's example, let's go ahead and use the grid view and add some products by using the small shopping cart. And now let's go ahead and review our products. So if you notice that I now have 4 items in my cart and no quantities. So the first thing I'm going to do is add quantities, and I am going to, if I don't want to manually add it, I can use the copy to feature. So I could copy to all, same class, or selected. It does change on sizing. So if I do all, you see that I automatically filled this next pullover with 5 units, but these items remained empty. So let's go ahead and add the quantity here. And to save time, let's go ahead and copy as well to all. And now those were updated. So just a quick tip to save a little bit of time. So now we're going to add the emblem. So I'm going to add my emblem, and this brand that I'm shopping with has all of these emblems uploaded for me already. If it was a new emblem I wanted to use, I would click New Logo Setup Required. But for today, let's choose Club Emblem 1, and then we're going to click Next. We're going to choose our placement, left chest, next. Colors, let's choose Club Colors, and next. And I could leave a note like new art attached, anything needed can be added right here. And as well for the art files, I could browse my own computer, upload them, but for today, let's just add the emblem and close. So now if you notice, I need to add emblems for all of the other items. I'm going to go ahead and just update my cart to make sure everything is up to date, and I can use the copy to feature as well. So let me click copy to, and I can do all, same class, or selected. So let's just do all. And as you see, all of the emblems were copied the same placement, color, cost, everything. This can save time when you have a lot of products within your cart. So now that my cart is filled with quantity and emblems for all products, I can go ahead and check out. So let's go ahead and check out. Here is my review page. I can also, from the review page, check out. I could print. I'm going to go ahead and process my order. And now my RepSpark order is complete and can be seen in the My Orders tab.